Hello students, I am Mr. Mishra, I am math teacher of ALPM Public School, Ghulamabad, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as in previous video I have already defined what is raw data, what is data, and what is the frequency. Today I will revise exercise 6.3. In this exercise, I will explain how to make histogram. So I will consider question number 1. Question number 1 is given below. Question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 6.3. We have to make frequency table, and by the frequency, after making frequency table, we have to draw histogram. Data is given below are the marks. Given below are the marks. Are the marks obtained by students. Obtained by students. Obtained by students in a class test. In a class test. In a class test. Choose 10 to 25 as the first class interval. As the first class interval. Data is 12, 15, 20, 35, 35, 46, 57, 68, 69, 70, 68, 69, 70, 90, 89, 78, 67, 56, 57, 56, 56, 57, 56, 57, 58, 57, 58, 57, 55, 54, 36, 79, 79, 89, 89, 90, 44. We have to make a histogram by this data. As in the given question, we have to choose 10 to 25 as the first class interval. So, first of all, by this given data, we will find the lowest observation. Here we see that lowest observation is 12. Lowest observation is 12, and highest observation is 90. 90 in highest observation. So, first of all, I will take class interval. Class interval means marks. I like it written marks, and choosing class interval as 10 to 25. First class interval, so 10 to 25. Now next will be 25 to 40, and next will be 40 to 55, and next will be 55 to 70, and next will be 70 to 85, and next will be 85 to 100. This is a class interval. Class interval between these two is 25 minus 10. Class which will be 25 minus 10 will be 15. Now this is class interval, and now I will find tally mark. Tally marks, and after this we will write frequency. First of all, I will find number of students which got marks between 10 to 25. Here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That is 4 students got marked between 10 and 25. And frequency will be tally mark will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will find out number of students which have got marked between 25 to 40. Then that is 1, 2, 2. That is only 2 students who have got marked between 25 and 40. Tally mark. Now I will find number of students which have got marked between 40 and 55. That is 1, 2. Here also 36. 36. 1, 2, 3. The 3 students have got marked between 25 to 40. Now I will find number of students which have got marked between 40 and 55. That is 1, 1, and 2. 1 and 2. Therefore, it will be 2 students. Now I will find number of students which have got marked between 55 and 70. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10 students. Therefore, 10 students have got marked between 55 and 70. Now, I will find number of students who have got marked between 70 and 85. That is 1, 1, 2, 3, that is 3 students. 1, 2, 3. Now I will find number of students who have got marked between 25 and 85 and 100. That is 1, 2, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will draw the histogram. For drawing histogram, we consider two axes perpendicular to this axis, that is OX and this is OY. OX and OY. On axis OY, we will represent the frequency, and after and on the axis OS we find the mass. First of all, I will draw 10 to 25. So we take here 10, 25, 40. This distance will be same. 10, 25, 40, 55. This distance will be equal. 55, 70, 85, and 100. And frequency, I will consider frequency as 2. Let us consider suitable measurement. 1 centimeter equal to mark. 1 centimeter equal to mark. And on the y-axis, and two students and 1 centimeter equal 15 students, 15 marks, y-axis, x-axis. Now we see that here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Now you see that mass after 10 to 25 is 4 students. Therefore, here will be 10. This is called king, because no any students marks 0, marks find between 0 and 10. So here will be king mark. So you see that marks 10 to 25 obtained by 4 students. Therefore, it will be 10 to 25. Now we see that 3 students mark obtained between 25 and 40. So this will be 25 to 40. Now 40 to 45 marks obtained by only 2 students. Therefore, it will be 2. Now 55 to 70 marks obtained by 10 students. So this is in front of 10. Is 10. Now 70 to 25 students. 3 students marks obtained by 70 to 85. Therefore, it will be 3. Now in 5 to 100 marks obtained by 6 students. So So this is the histogram. In this histogram, you have to find out. If the passing mark are 40, now how many students did not understand the lesson? That is 40 mark obtained by passing mark. So you see that 3 and 4 plus 3. 4 plus here 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 students not understand the lesson, because here 25 to 40 marks obtained by 3 students and 10 to 25 marks obtained by 4 students. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 students did not understand the lesson. If a student gets a prize on obtaining 85%, next question is, if a student gets a prize on obtaining 85% or more marks, how many students qualify for the prize? You see that 85 to 100. 85 to 100 marks obtained by 6 students. So 6 students will get the prize. I hope that this histogram is clear to you and you can do all these type of questions. Thank you. Next video I will construct how to construct a pie chart by any given data. So next video I will explain pie chart. Thank you so much.